Venn diagram is actually a representation of set. Representation of set by circular form. Circle I can say, but it is not always circle. It may be just circular shape. That's it. Okay. So one big rectangle will be there. That is the universal set, and there may be circles inside. So you can have 2 circle or 3 circle or 5 circle. One circle is one set. So if you have 2 circle or circular shape, that may have name. Say one circle is A, another circle is B, and the universal set is U, that is the rectangular shape, that is the square shape. Okay. So every time we use this kind of presentation, and as a whole, it is called the Venn diagram. So universal set is always rectangular. It is not circle. Okay, universal set is the rectangular shape, and within that, all other circles will come. So every circle is a set. Every circle is a set, and uh, how many sets will be there? There is no rule. One set is small, another set is big. It is not uh, understood. It is not a matter in the circle. So small circle will be small set, big circle will be big set. This is not the idea. This is not correct. Okay, you understand what I'm saying? So small or big does not matter, just the boundary. So the whole figure is called Venn diagram. That's it. So now if I write some numbers, say this is 1 and this is 2 and it is 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9, then what you will understand? If I have the numbers like this, okay, so what are the numbers in the set A? Somebody try to tell me what are the numbers in the set A.
Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Okay, so is this clear to everyone? This is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is correct. Is this clear to everyone,
Yes,
or
sir.
you have any question? So what will be the numbers in set B?
Sir, two,
Sir,
five,
2,
six,
5, 6,
seven.
7.
2, 5, 6, 7. Is it clear to everybody? This is correct actually, but everybody should be clear. Is this okay? You will see the circle of B, then you will find out what are the numbers. Is that okay? Everyone is okay with this idea?
Yes, sir.
No question.
Sir, again repeat, please.
Which one? A or B?
Sir, A.
Okay. So you will check the circle of A. Do you see the circle of A here? A circle?
Yes, sir.
So within that circle, what are the numbers? You will try to find out 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. These are the numbers within the circle A. So we are writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that okay? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Then think about B also. Is this correct now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now tell me what are the elements in A intersection B?
Sir, 2 and 5, sir.
2 and 5. Everyone is okay with that?
Yes, sir.
2 and 5 is the common area. So you will find out the common area. Which one is the common area? In the graph, we can see this is the AB common area, the blue color. Is that okay? Do you understand that? This one, blue color area, is the common area. Everyone is okay with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So now tell me, what is the A union B set? What is the A union B set? I mean, who are the elements?
Sir,
1, 2,
from
3,
1
4,
to
5,
7,
6,
sir.
7.
Sir,
1,
up
2,
to 7.
yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in the figure, if I want to show, then I will color this area, this area, this area, all this area. That will be the union area. Is that okay? Everyone is okay with the idea? The blue color area is the union area. Is that okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. So let me go back again and then I will do another one. So tell me what are the numbers in A minus B? From the Venn diagram, try to understand what are the numbers in A minus B.
Sir, 1, 3, 4.
So 1, 3, 4 is correct. So do you use the Venn diagram or do you use the set? I mean, try to understand the Venn diagram. So which area is A minus B? This is the area. The blue color is the A minus B area. Do you understand that? Is that okay? A circle, then minus common area. Sorry. A circle, then minus the common area. Common numbers will be minus. So you have 1, 3, 4. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Everyone is okay with this? So this is our B, and A minus B means A, then B is cancelled. So the common area will be cancelled. Only the common area will be gone. And then you have the blue. You have the blue shaded region. Clear? Everyone is clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now tell me what will be B minus A. Can you see the area in the Venn diagram?
Sir, 6, 7.
6 and 7. Can you see? Can you find out the area in the Venn diagram? This is the area, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is not a problem. Very good. So tell me now, it is, let me just finish this. It is 6, 7. Good. Tell me now, what will be the numbers in A prime? What will be the numbers in A prime?
Sir, can
Sir,
I?
8, 9.
Yes, yes, everyone can say yes. Someone said 8, 9. And
Yes, sir. The universal
Yes, sir.
set will be 8, 9.
so A prime, that means complement A. This will be 8, 9. Is that the answer? Everyone is okay with this answer?
Yes, sir.
Everyone is, yes.
6, 7, 8, 9, sir.
Yes, it is correct. 8, 9 is not correct. 6, 7, 8, 9. Because you are out of the circle A. You are out of the circle A. But maybe inside B, that is not a problem. You will be out of the circle A. That's it. So out of the circle A is this actually. Out of the circle A is actually this. This is out of the circle. You
Sir,
understand
I didn't
now?
understand.
What is a complement? What is this? What does that mean? What is this?
Sir, it means U minus A.
U minus A. Good. So universal set minus A. So is there any logic that the number cannot be inside B? Is there any condition? There is no condition.
No, sir.
The condition is it should not be inside A. So not in A. This is actually what is the understanding? Understanding is not in A. So not in A. So you will find out all the numbers not in A. So 6, 7, 8, 9, everything will come.
Okay, sir.
Now think about not B. Tell me what will be not B. Okay. Say I am now erasing the color. Okay, going back to the normal white shade, and I am writing not B, that is complement B. So who will be the members in complement B? Tell me who are the
Sir,
members.
One,
Yes.
3, 4,
2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
1. Oh,
8, 9.
sir.
Sir, 1, 3, 4, 8, 9.
Yes,
Why
sir.
not two? Why not? Oh no, sorry.
Because
Yeah,
sir,
you,
2
you
is under the B.
yeah.
Yes,
You are
sir.
right. You are right. So two is already there. So we cannot take two. Yes. So out of B, that means 1, 3, 4.
3,
It is
4, 8, 9.
it is correct. 1, 3,
But
4, and
sir, in
yes.
A prime, why you take 2, 2, 5?
No, I did
Why
not
don't
take.
you take? Why did not you take? I didn't. Actually, it's confusing for me. Can you explain me again?
Other other than a circle, that is not A. So other than a circle is this. This is the other than a circle. 2, 5 is including a circle. So that will not come. Finish. Very easy, simple thing.
2, 5
Is it?
also include B circle.
Yes. So if you think about B prime, then you will go to outside of B circle. So 2, 5 will not come outside of B circle. So 1, 3, 4, 8, 9. Yes.
Okay.
Is that okay? So now tell me what will be A union B whole prime? What will be this?
Yes, sir.
Only
8 and 9, sir.
only 8 and 9. Correct. So why only 8 and 9? Because this will be outside of A union B, outside of A union B. So this is the outside of A union B. Is that okay? A union B is the white area, and outside of that. So you have only 8 and 9. That's it. Is that clear? Everybody is okay with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tell me what will be A minus B whole prime from the diagram.
Sir, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Correct. 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because you will not take A minus B, you will be outside of A minus B. So what is A minus B? A minus B is this part. This green is A minus B. So outside of A minus B means other. Means other like this one, this one, this one, everyone. Okay, outside of the green part. So outside of the green part will be 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is it okay now? Everyone can understand this. Do you understand? Clear or not clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay, so in in the similar way, we can think of many other, I mean, expressions, set expressions, and Venn diagram can help us to find out the numbers or find out the answers. Okay, so the Venn diagram can be used for solving the problems. We will see some of the problems, but before that, let me just show you the shades. Okay, I'm erasing this part. Is that okay? Have you written this already?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I am erasing this and I am showing some of the diagrams so that it will be clear and it will be understood. Okay, so have let me have two sets AB. Let me have two sets AB. Okay, and let me give the name also. Okay, no. Let me- One set is A, one set is B. Say we are giving the names like that. Okay. So left side one, left set is A, and this one is B, and this figure I am copying sometimes. Okay, so let me take this one as a shade. So if I think about this shade, then you will write what? What will be the expression for this? This is A union B, right? And what about this?
Sir, A intersection B.
A intersection B. So let me just make some more and then you can take the screenshot. you want. So what will be this thing? A minus B, right? What will be this area? B minus A. What will be say about this? Then we will say this is not A. What will be this area? That will be called not B. What will be this area? It will be called A union B prime. What will be this area? This will be called A intersection B prime, right? What is this area? That will be A minus B whole prime. What will be another shade, say this one? It will be B minus A whole prime, right? So what else can be possible? Maybe nothing. Everything is given. Okay, let me just make a little complicated thing. Okay, so let us take this. What you will write something for that. Okay, so let me write down the expressions one by one. What will be the first one? It is very easy. You already know this is A union B. This first one. What is the second one? It will be A intersection B, because this is the only common area. What will be the third one? It is A minus B, because the B set is taken away from A set. And this is the fourth one, B minus A, because from B the set A is taken away, right? And what will be the fifth one? This is not A. Not A means complement of A. That means A is white, other area is taken. So other area is taken. What is the sixth one? It is similar way, B complement. That means B area is white, it is not taken, and other than B, that means outside of B is taken here, so it is not B. And what will be this one? This is A union B, then whole prime. A union B, then bracket, then prime. That means outside of A union B. What is this one? This is outside of A intersection B. So A intersection B is white, and then outside of A intersection B is taken as a color. Is that okay? Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Now the last line, what is this? This is A minus B, then whole prime. A minus B is the white part. A minus B is the white part. This is not taken, that is why white. And the color is outside of A minus B. So it is A minus B prime. Prime means not. Okay. means outside. So what is the second one, next one? It is in the same way, b minus a, then bracket, then whole prime. That's it, b minus a, then bracket, then whole prime. And the last one, it is little complicated. It is not A union B. Okay, because something is missing inside. So what you can write, A union B bracket, then minus. What is the minus thing? A intersection B. That's all. So not very complicated, just a little one extra step. So A union B is the whole part, then minus the middle part. Middle part is A intersection B. That's it. Is that okay now? Do you understand what I have just written? So you can keep a screenshot, you can keep it with you so that you can understand later, or you can practice. Okay. All these are with two sets. All these are with A and B. And everyone, the box is universal set. In everyone. This is universal set, this is universal set, this is universal set. So you can write, or if you do not write, everyone will understand, no problem. The box is the universal set in every case. So is that okay? Do you have any question? Anyone has any question on this? No question?
No, sir.
Okay. So sometimes there may be three sets also. Sometimes there may be three sets also. So let me give you one formula for this, and then I will erase, and then I will talk about three sets. So there is a formula. You don't need to memorize this formula. If you know, then fine. If you do not know, that is also all right. There is a formula. What is the formula here? In this situation, the formula is number of elements in A union B. Number of elements is written like n, and this is equal to n bracket A. N of A means number of elements in A plus number of elements in B, and then minus number of elements in A intersection B. So this is a formula. You can just keep this in your brain if you want to use it somehow later, then fine. This is a formula. So this is a formula all about number of elements, all about number of elements. So what is this actually? This is n, it is number of elements. So number of elements, you can check with the previous example what we have done earlier, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, like that. Okay, the previous example what we did today. So you can check with that, and every time you will see, yes, this is correct. Number of elements in A union B is equal to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B, then minus number of elements in A intersection B. So number of elements means how many, how many. So if you have A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then number of elements in A is actually 5 because you have 5 numbers. So if you have B like 2, 4, 6, then you will say the number of elements in B is actually 3 because there are 3 elements in this set. So this is the understanding. So if you understand this thing and you apply the formula here, it will work. It will be correct. So this formula is not very essential that you have to use that. If you understand the Venn diagram, then automatically you can solve problems. So we will see how you can solve the problems. We will see in the next class, we will do some problems with Venn diagram. So not today, so it's okay. If you know the formula, good. If you do not memorize the formula, if it is hard to you, that is also all right, no problem. So this is about 2 sets, and let me show you a few maybe, okay, about 3 sets. So about 3 sets Venn diagram, there will be 3 circles inside. So one is A, one is B, one is C, like that. So this is one circle, this is one circle, and this is another circle. And I told you already, do not think about small circle or big circle. Small or big does not matter at all. So there will be 3 circle, so 3 set. That is the understanding. So the square is the universal set and circle are the sets. So maybe one circle is A. Okay, let me take it a little lower so that I can write the names. So one circle, the top circle is A, and the left side one is B, and the right side one is C. So these are the 3 circles. Now let me make a copy because I want to do several ones. So what will be this area? That will be A, B, C union. Okay, A union, B union, C, like that. So what will be this thing? If I write B full, C full, that will be only B union C, only B union C. What will be this part? If I shade only this area, that will be A intersection B intersection C. And what will be this area? If I just shade the region like this, that will be common in AC. So it will be A intersection C. There is no connection with B. I mean, don't worry about B. It is just like that. So what will be this area if I just shade the region like this and this? That will be A union B prime, like that. A union B prime, that's it. So what will be this area if I shade the region like this. So this will be C prime. This will be C prime. That's it. Okay. What will be this area if I just shade the region like this and this? This will be A intersection B and also B intersection C. So I will show you how can you write this. So this is the thing, and what will be this one, say. So this will be A minus. So let me write down everyone, then you will understand. So the first one is A A union B union C. Three things together. A union B union C. And what will be the second one? It is only B union C. If you say B union C, then enough. It is all right. No need to say anything about A, because it is clear that you can say B union C. Fine. So something is common with A, but it is not a problem. The third one is A intersection B intersection C, because this is common to all three. And the fourth one is A intersection C only. So common in A circle and C circle. That's it. So some part is going inside B, that is not a matter. We will make an expression which will represent the area. That will be fine. So what is this one? The fifth example. This one is A union B, then whole prime. Because A union B is the white area, so we use not or complement, that is okay. And next one is what? Very simple, just you write C prime, that's it. Because C is the white circle and all other parts are included. So everything is included. So not C will be good enough. And this one is A intersection B, that is A intersection B is one small part and B intersection C is another small part. These two parts are combined together, so it is union. It is union in between. So A intersection B union B intersection C. This will be the answer. And if you go for the last one, this is A minus. So A minus what? A circle is not the full circle. There is something taken away. So what is the other part taken away? The other part is B union C, B union C. So B, C both taken away. So within bracket it will be B union C, A minus B union C. This will be the expression for the last one. So that is it. Okay. So in the same way, there is a formula for three sets also. That is another big formula. Okay. But it's not very important to memorize, as I am telling you. The big formula I'm just writing. If you want, then fine. If you do not need, that is also fine, because I will not give you any question in the exam based on the formula. So what is the formula I'm just writing? The formula is number of elements in A union B union C is actually number of elements in A plus number of elements in B plus number of elements in C, then minus, okay, then minus number of elements in A union B, then minus number of elements in B union C, and then minus number of elements in C, not union, not union. This is intersection.
Sir, A
Yes.
intersection B intersection C, sir. I think
No.
so.
No. It is A intersection B, B intersection C, C intersection A, and then plus number of elements in A intersection B intersection C. So this will be the formula. This will be the formula for 3 set. But you do not need to memorize the formula. It's up to you. If you want, then you can. If you do not like it, then that is also fine. No problem. Okay. So that is it about Venn diagram, and we will apply the Venn diagram concept, not the formula concept. We will apply the Venn diagram concept to solve the problems, okay, from our everyday life.